Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Dear friends, nowadays Play Store not working properly. It's showing pending and pending. When we are going to install any application, let me show you. Here if I go to Play Store and suppose I want to install TP-Link router controller application. As you can see, it is showing pending and pending but not downloading this application. Okay, now how we can fix these types of problem. I will show you some steps. You need to just follow these all steps and also keep watching this video till the end to fix these types of problem. So first of all, pull down your notification bar and go to settings, and here find out apps, then click on it. Here go to manage apps. Now here find out your Google Play Store. As you can see, it is my Play Store. Just click on it. From here go to storage. Now as you can see here, my Play Store cache is 107 MB. I need to clear it. Here below you will see clear data. Just click on it. Now here click on clear cache. Now click on OK. Now go to Play Store. And if you see this step is not working for you, then let's jump in the another steps. Go to your manage apps and here find out your Google Play services. Then click on it. After that go to storage. And then here below click on clear data, then click on clear cache, then click on OK. That's it. Now if it is also not work for you, I'm gonna show you final method. Again go to in your Play Store apps info, then scroll down. Here you can see uninstall updates. Just click on it, then click on OK. It will also fix your problem. But if it is also not fix your problem, then if you can remember your Gmail and password, you can clear all data of your Play Store application from here and then reboot your device, then check it again. I hope these steps will be fix your problem. If it is work for you, then share in the comment section. And to get more these types of important video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.